And hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing on our server. So what the heck's this? Oh, so let's just wait for it to complete the I don't know. So yeah, look at my skin, bro. It's so cool. Magic skin. But by the way, I like my skin. I made it myself because no, what should I choose? My server or do not XMP? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Bro, do not the complete. So I'm gonna show you my Minecraft server and the Donut XP at the same time. So first, let's join this. By the way, here, if you wanna join, don't worry, I just copied the chicken craft because I don't have any. You know, let's just continue. I can't think of any server name, so I just copied other servers name. So yeah, let's go. Let's join it and let's see if I'm gonna get this collected or not. Because I always it when it says please log into Xbox to join the server or can't connect to the server. I hate that. Bro, told you. So what we're gonna do is let's turn on a VPN and let's cook this. So I use what the heck? I forgot. Oh, Turbo VPN. Let's go. Bro. Bro, what the heck? So let's go to Minecraft.
Boy, hindi kang pumunta sa bigay. Kaya bigla ko siya rabo. Kasi yan, yung red na yan, bubukas na ng ano yan, konting, ano ko lang,
Oh, I forgot.
sagi.
Bruh. Bro. What I fixed that. Just wait. So I searched up on YouTube how to fix this. It said you just need to sign in on Xbox with your Minecraft account, so I did. I don't know why I click Minecraft, but it's what I want to play. So, bro, play Minecraft, dude. Why would I buy that? I already have Minecraft. So now let's play it again. I had to download it. My god, my phone's gotta overheat, dude. Bro, why did I click Xbox? Okay, now let's play. Hopefully this works. If this does not, I'm gonna not recommend the channel and report him for scamming. And I don't know, maybe it will work. So this is the server that I wanted to play. So if this does not work, I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do. Hope this one works. Oh, it did. Oh my god. How? How did it solve my problem, dude? Let's go. You see this? This server. Slash set home. And it does not have RTP, unfortunately. Because why not? And it has a shop right here. By the way, I'm gonna add an auction house so you can sell and buy. And please join my server. How the heck I'm gonna buy that? You know what? I don't have enough money, dude. So, you know what I'm gonna do. Let's go get block.
Naubos mo na yung ready mo? Ha?
1, 2, 3,
Naubos mo na?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 19. Let's fill this up with netherite blocks. Now let's sell. Oh my god, dude. Bro, why do I have to make myself survive for this?
Now, I feel like a lot of people have seen photos and videos of this month before, but don't really have a lot of information about them. First off, these guys live in Borneo, and they're just like
Dude, I'm gonna lag.
extremely good at climbing. They're also very good
I'm
swimmers,
lagging.
but there's one big difference. Their nose is huge. So most people wonder
Don't mind that Donny Bob's over there.
these guys.
It's just a bot, dude.
Their nose helps to amplify their calls.
Where
It
the
also
heck?
helps to attract mates, and scientists have noticed
Survival. Now let's heal myself. Why not? Let's fade.
Tulong ako ng ano.
Sing, wing.
Sabi, tulong ako.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Finally, now I open that.
Huli ka muna. Magnify. An original.
Oh my god, dude. So, give me like, that's like 12 million. Now let's go to the shop. Now I can buy anything. Dude. I'm gonna make a sidebar so you see your money, or you just use some commands. I don't know if that exists, but what should I buy? No, bro. What? Where are armors? Where the heck's armors? What the heck's our workstations? Oh. Where can I buy armors, dude? Khalifa. I cannot see any over here. Dude. Chit. Dude, what the heck? You know, since there's no armor selling here. Oh, I see your money here. There. I never see that. I hope that works compatible with the auction house. That's nothing. Or oh, you can buy diamond here. So you know what I'm gonna do. Let's go buy some tapes. Buy tapes. I'm gonna buy. Oh. What the heck? I want to buy, dude. What? What? Oh! Oh my lord! Dude, I'm rich. You know what I'm gonna do? Just and drop that like nothing happened. Let's see my bank account. No, but
Ano pangalan Gino ulit?
magnify. I'm not gonna add the auction house because you know you can already buy that and make armor and stuff. So yep.
Kaya po doon.
Why? Don't I have permission for that, dude?
Naayos ko pa yung tablet. Ha?
Ewan ko dun.
Eh, di ba ginamit ko yun ng nakaraan?
Ayaw nga gumana eh.
Ha?
Ay gumana.
Ayaw gumana?
Bro, why can't I open? Why can't I open myself?
Ay, maya-maya. Gusto ko ha. Hindi ko iwanan si game. Kasi walang yelo ha. Walang yelo.
Ay,
Ang liit. Kailangan kulang na yung pabahay. Kailangan napukasan ng ramen.
dude. How can I kill
Kaya pero may ako
entities?
cellphone.
Bro.
Oh, sungit. Wow, ang sungit. Ang sungit naman ng batang yan.
Bro, what the heck is this?
Ang sungit naman ng baby kong maganda.
It's this a no cheat
Lord.
server. Dude.
Kaya ko na para gumanda.
Extra no cheat. Like why?
Uy, nakita na ni Steak. Si Supot. Ay, Supot. Ha? Ay, dito. Tong sa huro.
Bro. How can I add cheat? Oh! I can just clear my inventory here.
Ay, hindi innocent si Tralala.
a giocare a Fortnite quando a un punto arriva mia nonna. Ornella lecca cappella. What sucker? Tiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda i bambini a Gaza e in Palestina.
Huwag kayo sumandal. Kulang, sabi ko ito. Wala kang dyan.
Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda i bambini a Gaza e in Palestina. Why is Italian brain rot so horrible? Non crede in Allah e ama le bombe. Si nutre dello spirito di tua madre. E se hai tradotto tutto questo, allora sei uno stronzo. Non
Teka
rompere
lang
la
din.
bella prostituta. Capo, cappuccino, assassino. Assassini, cappuccini.
Yung sinain yung cellphone.
È meglio non incrociare questo tizio. Bombini cusini, fratello. Bombini cusini. Lo bombardino crocodilo che svolge tutte le stesse funzioni
Bro, I'm literally lagging.
alla gente. Uno scherzo per chi si
Sa
trasferisce.
what the heck, dude?
Diba mo ano?
What I'm gonna do?
Crocodilo che svolge tutte le stesse
Sige,
funzioni.
sayang. Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo.
Uno scherzo per chi si trasferisce.
Bumuyo ko ang yatay.
Giano cammina portando due anguri sotto le scene.
Hirap.
Poi un uomo gli chiede che ore sono. Ascolta, tieni l'anguria. L'uomo lo prese e il georgiano disse: come faccio a saperlo? Trullimero,
Yan.
trullicina.
Tingala ka muna. Tingala ka.
Italians doing over there? Like, make some fucking pizza. Stop it with this shit. Make some goddamn spaghetti. What the hell? Il pretilettini in piscina. Formaggio sulla trulla lima. Ma chi chiama la tazzina? Bicus, dicus. De dicus. Un piccolo riccio.
After that,
Wait lang.
oh my god. Let's go to the Donut SMP. Because why not? Oh my god.
I mean, he's got a good cat. I like the uphill breed.
Bro,
That's the one. The stick man. Tung Tung Sahur.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya keluar pada sahur. Konon katanya kalau ada orang yang dipanggil sahur 3 kali dan tidak nyaut, maka makhluk ini datang di rumah kalian.
What is Baka? Why are they gonna Baka at the house? So if somebody says Sahur 3 times, they leave Baka at your house? Okay, it's upstairs. Space.
sahur, sahur, sahur.
I have unlocked a bit.
Let's restart Minecraft.
Gatorade has more inside in to help you.
Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god, it finally worked. Thank Minecraft. Because let's go and back. What's this? Oh, place an obsidian here. One option, buy a mixer box for 2 million worth. What the heck happened there? Oh my god.
Sahur.
I'm literally lagging, dude. Dude, I'm lagging. Bro, what the hell? Oh my god. Bro. No. And I'm lagging. And the video ends.